Alright, so we just finished up the GoPro Hero 7 black lens adapter, and well, it actually kind of didn't work out as well as I thought, because once you put it on, so it is one-handed, you put it on, pretty much when you start moving, you can see that you can actually see the sides of it. So it's actually too high and it's actually not wide enough. But the concept was there. I'm going to go back to the drawing board and we'll go ahead and we'll probably redesign it a little bit, maybe make it a little bit not as high, and make that probably a little bit more wider, because that I think was a 60mm, maybe probably 70 will do the job. You can see how I've held it in, just two little M3 stainless screws on each side, but and I also left a little recess for some plexiglass, which I didn't bother to cut out because I'm going to have to redesign this anyway, but the concept was there.